Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Narcisa, and today I'm super excited to be sharing my first book/journal review. Now this journal I got from Lovet Planners. It is their manifesting journal, a 12-week guided journal to help you manifest your dreams. I chose this journal because I'm at a point in my life where I want to manifest some dreams and goals that I have. So I've always used a journal to write down my prayers and write down just things that were in my heart to the Lord. But using this journal to not only, for me, write down prayers, but to manifest the future that I want. And I always tell my friends, like, the picture that I see in my head, the Narcisa that I see in my head has slowly been coming to reality. And so now I'm at a point where, like, okay, let's manifest. Okay, let's get the Cisa that you see in your brain out into the real world. So I chose this manifesting journal from Lovet Planners when they reached out to me with a list of their items to try. This one just really spoke to me and where I am in life. When you open the journal, one thing I absolutely love, it's something that took me back to when I was teaching back in Brooklyn, New York. One of the first things we did with our students was have them write a future letter to themselves. So you open the journal and it says, "A letter to your future self, dear me." And it also says, "I am worthy," as you can see there. So there's so many different things about this journal that I love. Again, it's 12 weeks, so I am definitely going to be going through it and just filling it all out. But some of the breakdowns that I really enjoy when I open this is frequently asked questions about manifesting. You know, because sometimes we're not sure what manifesting is, or what about this goal that I'm starting to manifest and I don't see it. So they kind of help you with that. There's tons of questions on that page. And they also have manifesting warm-ups. All right, now let's get into that. So some of the warm-ups are: imagine yourself laughing, picture yourself in a happy moment, channel your gratitude in your journal. Gratitude journaling aids in shifting to a more positive mindset. Get a change of scenery, clear your mind and think about your intentions on a walk or somewhere you find relaxing. So definitely things to just help you get into the mindset of what you want to manifest. Then it has a mini manifestation bank. So basically, it's going to be where you write down those manifestations that you want to come to pass. You're going to write the date and you're going to write the journal page number. I love how it has everything laid out, very clear, clean, very easy to use, not confusing, because I've seen some journals that were just like all over the place, but I love how to the point this one is. I also like the different words of affirmation and quotes that are on the pages. This one says, "I attract only peace into my life." Come on, somebody. All we need is peace, right? All we want to attract is peace, and that's where I'm at in the season of my life. I've been continuing to walk in peace, and of course it's been a little hard. There has been some moments where some noise want to come in and disrupt, but I chose to walk in peace even when those moments came. So anyway, moving on. So they have a day one, and all of the dates, the pages are numbered. So all of the pages are numbered. So day one, and then all the way up until day 84, right? So day 84 comes and you're still talking about what are you grateful for? What are you manifesting your focus today? But it's consistent, and that's the key with manifesting. You have to be consistent. You have to see yourself at the end goal, and you have to work towards it. So sometimes we think manifesting is just waking up and saying a quote every day, or waking up and saying an affirmation every day, but no, manifestation takes work. So if you're looking to manifest some goals or some dreams or some visions for your future, grab the manifesting journal, because this is going to help you put in the necessary work to make it come to reality. And I will be honest, I'm a type of person that sometimes I don't like doing the hard work, you know. Judge me, I don't, you know, whatever. It is what it is. Sometimes I don't want to do the hard work. Sometimes I just want to manifest and be like, boom, here it is. But no, this is going to help me to learn how to be disciplined and really write down the things that I want, and to see them happening and to put in the work to bring it to reality. So I'm excited to go on this manifesting journal, and maybe I should bring you guys along with me. Maybe I'll do like a weekly check-in, and just to see, I don't know, comment down below, let me know what you guys think about that idea. Until next time, God bless. I'll leave a link down below so you can grab your Lovet planner. Now, not only do they have these manifesting journals, but they have planners as well. So check the link for more.